So how does simulation relate to quality, reliability, and safety? Just a few examples. And today, one of the things we're going to focus on is understanding varied environments that your design could be subjected to. So for example, your normal operating conditions that you expect your product or your design to survive on a daily basis. But every once in a while we might have a condition that consider abuse, how many repeated loadings of our loads. All of these are going to stack up to how do we evaluate the reliability of our product. From a quality perspective, obviously anything that increases the reliability of the product will increase quality. But one place where simulation is generally first used within an organization is forensic simulation. So we've had testing or warranty failures, and we want to implement corrective actions. And we can use simulation to help break down our problem and reduce the number of testing cycles to fix those problems or issues. And from a safety perspective, factors of safety are one of the outputs of simulation. And with simulation and the different levels of SOLIDWORKS simulation, we can determine how close are we to the yield strength, or the bending strength of our material. And with the nonlinear tools, we can evaluate how close are we to the ultimate strength, or the breaking strength of our materials.